Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to schedule your Facebook group post. So let's go to your Facebook group first. And now you have to click on this write something or the status bar. Click on this and you can write here anything like this and you'll find here this option, this calendar icon, which is schedule post. Click on this schedule post. Now you have to click on date and you have to click on the time here. Choose the time. Just choose any time and you can write here schedule. Click on this blue button and in that exact time your post will be automatically here. Okay, it will be automatically schedule post. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.